This Corecon training video is part of a series of training videos exploring the features under the documentation module. This video is specifically covering project photos. There's a few things to remember before we begin. Photos can be in standard image formats such as JPEG or BMP. An individual photo can be tagged in multiple albums. Uploaded photos do not count in terms of online file storage usage. Photos can be shared with outside project team members through the TeamLink portal only if the following conditions are met. Photos are associated with an album, and the album has been designated as Show in Portal. Images can be marked to prevent deletion, and only admins can uncheck the prevent deletion on images. With a project selected, under the documentation module, go to Project Photos, go to Actions, and let's add an album. If we want to include this album and grant access to the external collaborators through the TeamLink portal, we'll check this box. Although not required, you can begin to drag and drop progress photos into the rectangle and click Create. There is a Photos view and an Albums view. You can also delete photos if the box that prevents deletion is not checked. Let's open the detail of this photo. We see that it's not being prevented to delete, so we just put a check mark next to it. We'll go to Global Changes and we'll delete selected photos. We can also add photos. We'll go to Actions, go to Upload. We'll drag and drop two photos. Click Upload. Once the photos have been added, we'll select them, go to Global Changes, and click Add to a new album. We could also add a location. We could add to an existing album. We can link to a specific feature or record. Prevent photo deletion. Clear the prevent photo deletion, and delete selected photos from project and all albums. Just click Apply. We can also do this from the documentation landing page by going to Project Photos, over to Actions. Let's upload another group of project photos by just dragging and dropping 4 at a time into this rectangle and click Upload. While we're here, let's add another album. We can select the photos and add them to the album by going to Global Changes, Add to an existing album, and click Apply Changes. Back to Albums. We can also include up to 4 cover photos for each album. Photos can also be added to multiple albums. So let's open the photo and we'll mark this one as a main project photo and click Save. We can also choose albums to be included in the TeamLink portal or visible through the TeamLink portal by clicking Show in Portal. Let's do that again on the Precon. You also have the option to download all photos. And if you click the Reports option, you have log style reports of your photos. If you'd like to know more about the information in this training video, we encourage you to go to the knowledge base, to leads and projects, down to documentation, and review the help articles under the documentation features.